Somewhere far and quiet lived a Slime Sam. Not in a department store, nor on a shelf collecting dust, but in a cozy house, stuffed with the tastiest candies that were sweeter than honey, bigger than anyone could ever imagine. There was also a wonderful book full of his memoirs that nobody would ever see. The slime was fond of showers, for living in the woods and wandering around required constant moisture and skincare. And of course, he liked himself a fine meal. But on one occasion, he learned that there was a dragon in a hidden cave, and that dragon took all the candies there were and would not bother sharing with others. Only Sam could take the candy back, for he was a great candylar.
Holy cannoli! What a dream! So what do we have? There's a greedy dragon somewhere snitching candy and not sharing with others? This needs to be sorted out! Maybe Sue knows something about the dragon. Where did it come from? Why?
Calm down, Sammy. It's just a piece of a model, see?
Oh, I see a model. It seems very suspicious.
What is suspicious?
Well, I just had a dream about the dragon taking all the candy in the world. Here it is. What if it takes my candy too?
I really doubt it. But will you help me put it together?
No way! I better go check on my candy supply.
Well, Sammy is making sure his candies are okay. I'll get started with the dragon. Let's start with this piece. And now this one. I'm wondering how it'll turn out.
Susie?
Yes, Sammy?
What's that?
That? Oh, that's my precious ring. I thought I'd lost it.
How did it end up in my stash?
No idea. Maybe it slipped when I was putting candy in there?
Put in there? Not taking out?
Of course not. Will you please give me my ring back?
I'll think about it.
What? And I'm making him a dragon and everything.
I need to move my candy someplace else. You never know. What if Sue trains this dragon to steal my candy for her? Oh! The sound of it makes me shiver. Oopsie. I guess I have to get down there. Ready, set, go! I'm okay, if anyone at all is interested. And the candy, too! Oopsie. Oh, I know! I need to distract Sue so she can't finish the dragon!
I love assembling models. It's so relaxing and also very affordable. Any model like this won't break the bank, and it's a beautiful piece of room decor. Here's what I have so far. I'll add a few more details. Hey guys, do you enjoy assembling models? Give a thumbs up if you do.
I did some thinking.
Oh, yeah?
If you can solve my riddles, I'll give you your ring back.
Riddles? Well, okay.
Riddle number 1. What do you break before you use it? Next riddle.
But Sam!
Shh. Riddle number 2. What has 4 legs but can't walk?
Well, it's,
And the third riddle. What begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it?
I don't know, maybe,
Ha! You go think. It's obvious that you need more time.
But Sam... Oh, okay. Hey guys, do you know the answers to these riddles? Leave a comment below. We'll tell you if you're right in the end. Hey, Sam, what's going on here?
Nothing out of the ordinary. Guys, if you want to see something extraordinary, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Then you'll be the first to know about our new episodes. Are you thinking your ring is at stake?
I'm ready to answer right now.
Yeah? Well, okay, I'll give you a little bit more time. Think better!
Oh, come on. Whatever. The dragon is almost ready.
What's with the boring color?
Boring? Well, maybe let's paint it.
Red! Like fire!
Good idea. I'll be right back.
Take your time.
Okay. I'll put the model over here so I don't paint the table too. And now it's time to spray paint the dragon. Like this. The whole surface. Every little detail. Now let's leave it to dry. Oh, Sammy, what are you doing?
I'm guarding my candies! It's all mine, my precious!
Nobody is stealing your candy, and greed doesn't suit you. Let's have some tea with candies. By the way, here's the answer for the third riddle. It's a teapot.
That's right. But, what about the other riddles?
Let's see. 4 legs and can't walk?
Yes!
It's a table or a chair.
Well, that's, what it is. I mean, yes, of course that's right. And, the one I asked first? What? I don't want an egg.
No, it's the answer. You have to break the egg before you use it.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay. Here's your ring.
Thank you. Let's check on our dragon. Okay, now the dragon is dry and has some googly eyes. Here, Sammy, look. Isn't he cool? Will you guys be friends?
Oh, it's really cool. Of course we'll be friends. How could we not? Maybe even share candy.
Oh, I'm so happy! Guys, if you liked today's video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see new adventures as soon as possible. Bye! See you soon!
Oh, and if you have a favorite dragon,